Well, I'm at the Hawthorne Ordnance Museum in Hawthorne, Nevada, and it's inside and it's free. You can leave a donation, and they got a lot of stuff here. So here's a whole Jeep, and we got Mr. Bones in the back there. He's got his mask on, so that's good. All kinds of electronics here and everything. Ooh, I'd like to have this in my house so I could play with all this stuff here. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Here, put this guy here. Gyrodyne helicopter, which is this guy right here in back of me. He's carrying 2 bombs too. Yeah. There it is, a Gyrodyne helicopter. Unmanned aerial vehicles, 1968. Wow, look at that. Even had drones back in '68, pretty big ones though. Looks like counter-rotating props on that. And yeah, pretty big monster here, that's for sure. There he is, there's a picture of him there where he could take off from a ship and go out and drop some of those bad boys down there. All right. And we got all kinds of, who would like to have this in my house, all these things here. Yeah. Here we go. Got a soldier there. More kind of stuff. Got the lady here too, McQueen. All right. And all kinds of shells and different things here, and warheads. All right. Inside here we got a tank, a pretty good size one here, that's for sure. And look at this guy. We'll come around, look at the back here. Yeah. Well, I'm not sure if this is. Here's the inside. They got all kind of different lights in there. I think those are just to make it spooky. I don't think those are the regular lights, but that's the inside. It almost looks like a armored personnel carrier. But oh yeah, you can see in there. That's where you fire the gun. Not much room in there, that's for sure. Oh, MREs, had a lot of those. That's for sure. Got some big boys here. Mobile submarine simulator. Another one of these gyro jobbies here. It looks like they got some rockets that they can fire there, I would guess. And I don't know what model this is here. I don't see it on here. Oh, they got a British emblem on there. Yeah. Okay. Another one of those gyrocopters over here. Got more stuff back here. All kinds of guns right here. So I get a high-speed gun here. Some other type, looks like 50 caliber there. This is a CBU, or cluster bomb unit. That's what a cluster bomb looks like inside. It's got hundreds of these little tiny bomblets that spread all over the place, and that's why they're kind of banned now, I think, here. But you can drop those down, do a lot of damage. Covers a big area there. So, and here's a mine. Remember those? You see those on the old movies and stuff. And back over here, oh, we see the inside of a big gun. You see all the rifling in there. This is like 16-inch gun here maybe, but very nice rifling in there. And these are the powder packs that you put the shell in there, then you put the powder packs in there, and then it gets fired out of the gun. And here's some old photos of people working. Back in the old days. And wow, what have we got in here? Oh, that's just storage. None of my business there. Main machine. And you got another big scale here. I should weigh myself, although I might break the scale. It only goes up to 1,000 pounds. So since in my hugeness, yeah, all right. Okay. The old bootleggings. I used to have a pair of those many years ago. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Government that works. Team Hawthorne. All your grenades here. All the different types. Different types of grenades. And firefighting. Old guns over there. And we got another room back here. Look at this old cash register here. Oh, that's something there. Look at all these here. You got your tape up here. You want to get a receipt, I guess. 2 drawers. There you go. What more could you ask for? You got a safe here. Some other thing for making dog tags probably here, I would guess. Stencil machine. Yeah, it could make stencils to paint over stuff too. Great Seal of the United States of America. Oh yeah. We got it here. I used to have one of these stamp things at my desk in the Air Force. And here's a couple bunks. You got your bunks here for the Marines. Typewriters. All right. And you got your, looks like a map room maybe. Or, oh, this is a printing room, all your typesetting to make newspapers or flyers or whatever. And all the masters up here, I guess. And down cabin. All right. And there's some of the old stuff. Right. I'm outside the Hawthorne Ordnance Museum, and Hawthorne was a big place, lots of bunkers outside of town. Seems like hundreds of them. And this was big time a while back with storing and moving ordnance, bombs, weapons, whatever here. But here's another tank. Hawthorne Ordnance Museum. I don't know what this one looks like. An older tank here. And we're going to come around here and look over here. Oh yeah, we can walk up here too. But down here we got some mines here. Undersea mines. Undersea mine. But we can walk up here. Take a closer look at the tank. So that's what we're going to do. Climb on tank at your own risk. All right. Climb on it. And there's the top of the tank here. Yeah, I'm on the top. There's the gun out there. And it looks like you got a big muffler there. And I'm not going to walk too much around here because I don't want to fall off. Looks like maybe 1952. 10/28/52 there. So, yeah. Chevron, there's more stuff outside here. Lots of stuff at the museum, that's for sure. Okay, we got all these here stacked up for shipping and moving around. More warheads here. Some here. All right, one there. Statue of Liberty there. Here's the outside. We're going to walk up here. And in Hawthorne, Nevada right now here. Nice museum. If you ever drive through Hawthorne, it's worth visiting. It's free. Make a donation and throw a couple bucks in there to help them out. And here we got more stuff out here. I used to, these Mark 82s and Mark 83s, I used to deal with those when I was in the military and had to do some weapons calculations for the fighters that would carry those. But here's a nice plaque here. Memory of those who gave their lives for the country while employed at the Hawthorne depot. So they got killed, but by handling some of the weapons there. So, wow. So even working in civilian life could be hazardous too there. And we got some more gun barrels there. These look like guns that would be on a ship here. Well, they're painted gray for one, so they're not olive drab. And we got this guy here, Undersea Warfare Center. So he's make a little face there. More weapons there. And we're pretty much at the end here. So there it is, Hawthorne Museum.